Okay, this is a Zion number 6. I'm getting a little winded here. Getting to be about time to turn around and head back out. Looking downstream there. There's a fall in the water where it probably drops 7 or 8 foot right here. This is looking upstream, and we'll look up again. It's just almost straight up over me. Don't know how far away that mountain is in the distance, a white one. This is another turn in the river. Turns to the left. It goes around into that shadow. Y'all keep following. Have a good day.